Hey there, my name is Emma, and I'm the Customer Success Enablement Lead here at Gather. And one of our biggest questions for our funeral homes is, how are you currently keeping track of the decedents that are in your care? We know it can become overwhelming organizing multi-locations, updating and making custom notes on case cards, and keeping track of the decedents themselves as they move through the death care process throughout your funeral home. So here at Gather, we have the KeepTrack solution. And from your dashboard here, we're going to go ahead and navigate to your whiteboard. Now this is going to be your KeepTrack whiteboard, and it's going to give you and your staff a first glance at where all the decedents are in your funeral home and across locations. So off to the left here, you can customize your labels, you can manage workflows as well as locations. You can see who each case is assigned to, and then the case type here at the bottom. You can also configure what is going to appear or show up on each case card individually, as well as customizing how often this page is going to refresh to give you and your staff the most updated version of where everyone's at. So speaking of locations, I'm going to go ahead and scroll through here all the way towards the end, and I'll show you the first place where you can bulk edit all of your locations. So this button here, you can drag and drop to reorder any of these locations. So whatever order is going to make the most sense for decedents at your specific funeral home as they move through the process. And then this little cloud here is going to show you if that location is shared across multi-locations that you have access to. You can also click to edit each item individually. So you can change or update the name, add an address, or indicate if it's a third-party location. You can also indicate capacity. So especially for a cooler or somewhere that has a max capacity, you can indicate that there. You can also update or upload a custom photo, so it can be of your location specifically, or feel free to use a stock image if you just want to have a placeholder there for the meantime. And down here is going to indicate, like I said before, which locations are shared across multi-locations. And then you can also go to each location individually to update this as well. So clicking on the three dots in the top right-hand corner of each location will give you the option to bulk edit locations like we were just at, or edit this location specifically. Again, giving or changing its name, giving it an address, capacity, indicating if it's a third-party location, updating that photo, or sharing it across multi-locations. And the goal here at Gather with KeepTrack is to help increase communication between you and your staff and give you and families peace of mind that their loved ones are being taken care of the best you possibly can. So thank you.